Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection for our customer's 1967 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Started with a brand new block, 4-bolt main block. All forged steel internals. We have the Moroso oil pan, front sump pan for the 67 Mustang. Oil pressure extensions installed. It's real nice red ignition wires with all wire markers. Aluminum cylinder heads are on there. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Distributor set in place. MSD ignition coil. Holley Sniper fuel injection all set. Cobra air cleaner. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, all the readings. Manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. The Holley Sniper fuel injection system menu will be completely dialed in, plug and play, ready to go. Throttle return springs on there, throttle cable bracket, throttle cable ball. Timing will be set. We have the customers running a TKX transmission, proper bell housings on there, transmission bolts are in place. We have the external hydraulic slave cylinder, customer wanted, that's all set and adjusted, ready to go. Clutch fork, throwout bearing, high torque mini starter. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed for easy hookups. Heavy duty Russell PCV ventilation line all set in place. Chrome dipstick and tube. This real nice Raptor pulley kit. AC compressors on there, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. Self-tensioning belt tensioners on there. High flow aluminum water pump. Thermostat housings on there. Thermostats in place. 160 amp alternator, 1-wire hookup. Power steering pumps on there. So this is the way you get it. Again, it's our 427 Ford engine here. Ready to go. Turnkey. Drop in ready. Thanks for watching.